Hi and welcome to this video. I'm so happy that you've decided to opt in to receive this video, because in this video I'll share with you 4 quantum questions, or 4 wonder questions if you will, that will help you get clear on that goal you're trying to get to, that goal that you want to reach, your desire, or you can use them to get unstuck. You can use them for a place that you feel you're stuck in. Basically, these 4 questions will help you get clear on the transitioning from one state of mind or one event, situation you are in your life, and changing it into the next one. So the language we use for either situations are a bit different, but in structure they're pretty much the same, because they're both about transitioning from one state that you're in to another state that you're in. So these 4 questions will help you get crystal clear about everything that's going on in this situation. It will help you move forward, and it will expand your consciousness. Often we only focus on one specific area of either our goal or a place that we're stuck in. And these 4 simple questions will help you open up and see a much broader picture. I've also made a printable PDF that you can hang on your fridge so you can use them anytime. So how does this work? First, take in mind that goal that you want to get to, or that place that you're stuck in. And I will ask you these 4 questions. And I'll leave a little bit of space in between so you can take the time to feel what answers come up for you. You do not need to write them down. You do not tell them to anyone. You can if you wish, but it's not necessarily. The only thing that you need to do is perhaps close your eyes, listen to the question, and then feel what comes up for you. Hear to the answers that come from within you. So if you're ready, think about that goal you want to get to, or that place that you want to get unstuck from and get to another place. And I will ask you these 4 questions. So because the words we use for either situation is a bit different, I'll rephrase the question a few times. So if you're ready, here comes question number 1. Question number 1. What will happen if you get it? What will happen if you get it? What will happen if you make the change? What will happen if you do it? That's all question number 1. What will happen if you get it, if you make the change? What will happen if you do? Now listen to the answers coming up for you. What will happen if you get it? What will happen if you make the change? Alright, let's move on to question number 2. What will happen if you do not get it? So what will happen if you do not get it? Or what will happen if you do not make the change? What will happen if you do not get it? So again, just listen to the answers coming up for you. What will happen if you do not get it? And perhaps some sensations in your body arise. Just feel them. Be aware. And then we'll move on to question number 3. So if you're ready, here's question number 3. What will not happen if you get it? So what will not happen if you get it? What will not happen if you make the change? What will not happen if you make the change? So again, listen to what comes up for you, listen to the answers that arise for you. When you ask yourself the question, what will not happen if you get it? And when you're ready, we'll move on to question number 4. So question number 4 is, what will not happen if you do not get it? So what will not happen if you do not get it? Same question rephrased. What will not happen if you do not make the change? What will not happen if you do not make the change? What will happen if you do not get it? So listen to yourself, listen to the answers coming up. Feel how You might be expanding. Notice any sensations in your body. And then wrap that up. So I'll repeat these 4 questions for you again. So you can either write them down and use them whenever you like, or you can download the PDF that I've made especially for you with these 4 questions on them. So the first question is, what will happen if you get it? Second question, what will happen if you don't get it? Third question, what will not happen if you get it? And the fourth question is, what will not happen if you do not get it? So I'm really curious to hear what you've experienced during these 4 questions. These really are questions that you want to ask your subconscious mind, that you just want to ask and then leave space to receive the answers that come up. If you think about them rationally, you might get totally different answers. But what we want to achieve is for you to get crystal clear on every part of that goal or that place that you're stuck in. And again, both are about transitioning from one space to another. So we're really taking a look at that transitioning. It gives you a broader picture, or some people say you might look at the situation from above and see all different angles. I'm really curious to hear what it does for you. I hope this video serves you. Please download the questions, put them on your fridge or put them on next to your computer so you can use them at any times. Ciao.